I've always been a huge fan of theater. So when I saw that there was a BOCES program for theater, I of course had to take it. I love that every day is different, so I never know what I'm gonna get when I walk into the classroom.
It's really fun. I think it's important because it does teach you what life is like outside of high school and how you should get ready for work.
It has taught me so many things about theater that I did not previously know. Like how many jobs there are. There are hundreds of jobs, more backstage than there will ever be on stage. And there's so much variety.
Definitely Mr. Noor and Miss P, they definitely teach you the work ethics and how you should, come into work and get ready to start your job. Because
it is incredibly good at preparing you for the real world and real theater jobs. And there's just so much work experience that you get.